नमस्कार मित्रों, मैं राजीव मिश्रा सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं और आपको बताना चाहता हूं सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन उच्च शिक्षा में शोधपरक शिक्षण के लिए लगातार तत्पर रहता है और इस क्रम में हम 6 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय रिसर्च जर्नल्स का प्रकाशन लगातार कर रहे हैं। मित्रों, जर्नल्स की जो गुणवत्ता है उसका प्रमुख कारण है हमारा रिव्यू प्रोसेस। हम अपने पेपर को डबल ब्लाइंड पीयर रिव्यू पद्धति के आधार पर रिव्यू कराते हैं, तमाम एक्सपर्ट्स के पास भेजते हैं और उनके द्वारा अनुशंसित होने पे ही वो पेपर आगे प्रकाशित होता है। इसी कड़ी में सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन ने एक नई शुरुआत करी है, वो है ओपन वाइवा। इस क्रम में हम जूम मीटिंग के तहत एक्सपर्ट और लेखक को आमने सामने रखकर एक साक्षात्कार कराते हैं, जिसमें दोनों एक दूसरे से अनभिज्ञ होते हैं। खाली उनके पेपर एक दूसरे के पास होते हैं और वे अपने पेपर पर एक डिस्कशन करते हैं एक्सपर्ट से, और एक्सपर्ट उस पेपर पर साक्षात्कार पद्धति से डिस्कशन करने के बाद पूरी तरह जब संतुष्ट हो जाता है तब वह पेपर हम अपने जर्नल में प्रकाशन के लिए भेजते हैं। तो आइए हम अपनी तरह का पहला अभिनव प्रयोग करते हैं रिव्यू प्रोसेस के लिए ओपन वाइवा के रूप में। ठीक है मैम, अगर आप चाहें तो इस मीटिंग में बनी रह सकती हैं और अगर आप चाहें तो आप क्विट भी कर सकती हैं। हमारे पास जो दूसरे पेपर पे हैं, दूसरा पेपर आईडी है हमारे पास 15270। अगर 15270 पे जो सज्जन है वो हमें सुन रहे हैं तो कृपया अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लें। तब तक हम लोग आपसे रिव्यूअर मैम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि ये जूम की मीटिंग करीबन 40 मिनट की होती है। हो सकता है टाइम आउट हो जाए और मीटिंग अगर क्लोज हो जाए तो हम लोग फिर से जुड़ लेंगे इसी लिंक के द्वारा। ठीक है?
गुड इवनिंग सर। गुड इवनिंग मैडम।
जी, गुड इवनिंग मैम। मैं आपका पेपर जो है वो शेयर करता हूं और आप अपने पेपर को पूर्व के पेपर के भांति आप जो है वो बताइए सब रिव्यूअर्स को। ठीक है?
यस सर।
ये पेपर आपका ही है मैम, स्टाइल एंड स्ट्रेटजीज। हेलो,
यस सर।
ये पेपर आपका है जो सामने स्क्रीन
यस
पे
सर,
दिखाई दे।
दैट इज माय पेपर। हाँ सर।
जी,
हाँ
तो
सर।
आप अपने पेपर के बारे में रिव्यूअर्स को बताइए।
हाँ, actually my paper is having the title Style and Strategies of Teaching English as a Second Language, ESL, an overview. It's based on the style and strategy that are followed in secondary school. Here I have included the objectives, scope, methods, and the discussion. So, English as a second language has become the language of the world, and this article examines the style and strategy of teaching English. And more people in the world use English as a means of communication. In India also, English has been widely used for the last 2 centuries. Teachers followed some strategy for teaching English as a second language. Therefore, the teachers need to have some effective strategy of teaching for the better understanding of the learner. The objective of this paper is to study the style and strategy of teaching followed by the teachers during classroom transactions. The objective of the studies are to study the style and strategy adopted by the English teacher for teaching English and to examine whether the methods or approaches for teaching English are suitable with reference to prescribed standard. And the scope of this study is to investigate the strategy of teaching English at secondary level and the methods or approaches adopted by the teachers teaching English. Further, it is delimited to Oriya medium secondary school only that are under the control of Department of School and Mass Education, Government of Odisha. Methodology. The study used a descriptive survey method to check the common strategy applied by the teachers in secondary school of Bargarh district. Such a design was followed to collect data from 130 teachers through questionnaire and observation schedule. The teachers were selected from 100 sample schools of Bargarh district, for which questionnaire as a tool was used in this study. And that questionnaire is distributed among 130 teachers, which included 42 close-ended and 19 open-ended questions. Later in the point of motivation and encouragement by the teachers, some findings of the studies are included that are briefly discussed.
जी मैम.
Yes, next is method, technique, approaches adopted by teacher. It is also one of the findings. And another aspect, facilities for effective teaching and use of modern gadgets in teaching. Practice in LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills, and use of teaching aids. These are the points to which I have studied. And lastly, it has concluded.
क्या कंक्लूजन को भी ब्रीफ करेंगी आप थोड़ा सा?
Teaching of English is a challenging task for the teachers in Odia medium secondary school. Thus, teachers have to explore the right style and strategy to arouse and sustain interest among the students towards the English language. The Board of Secondary Education and PLTI should jointly organize a massive English language in service training program for teachers to strengthen English teaching. Further, University PG Department of English and Teacher Education Institutions should also take initiative for strengthening the standard of teaching English in secondary school.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I'm inviting my reviewers to give their review. First reviewer, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I just want to ask that she has mentioned that I have prepared a questionnaire which has 90 open-ended questions. Has she mentioned dimensions? These questions has been divided into dimensions or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You have not mentioned about the dimensions of your questionnaire.
I have not included that questionnaire in this article.
If you will not mention the dimensions, then how you will measure? Then how you have done the statistical analysis? And which style and strategy you have got the best? As per your paper, which style and strategy is best?
Teachers are adopting different type of style and strategy for teaching English, like some motivational technique. There are some motivational technique that a teacher normally used in a classroom situation, and that motivational technique like showing pictures by telling stories through words, games with reward program, which are personal sharing of personal experiences, brainstorming activities. These are practiced in classroom situation normally.
The things you have taken in your questionnaire?
Yes, madam. Actually, this paper is
How many
from.
dimensions you have taken in your questionnaire?
Actually, questionnaire is not included here, madam. So what to do
No,
here
you
in
have-
this article?
You have got these questionnaires to be filled by teachers or by students? On which?
By, by teachers.
By
Questionnaire is
teacher.
meant for the
So, whether teachers are ready to fill the questionnaire with 90 questions?
19, 19,
Teachers, 19 or 90?
19, 19.
Okay,
Total,
one
madam,
minute. Okay,
61,
19
61,
questions.
19 open-ended questionnaire, 19.
Okay, okay,
And
okay. Okay. I thought ki there are 90 questions in your questionnaire. Then I was so surprised that no teacher is ready to fill so long questionnaire.
standard and 19 open-ended question.
Okay. It's okay.
जी, फर्स्ट रिव्यूअर मैम, सेकंड रिव्यूअर मैम के पास चलता हूं। आपका माइक मैम अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
Good evening. Your paper is good. As ma'am is asking, I want to ask which method you have used for choosing the teachers, for selecting the teachers.
Purposive sample.
Huh? Which
Purposive
method of
random-
sampling?
Descriptive survey method and purposive samplings.
Okay.
टूल्स और मेथोडोलॉजी का वहां कर दीजिए ना।
हाँ, वहाँ से she has not mentioned that.
That's why I'm
sampling method.
suggesting you that please use mention the tools separately. If you have mentioned
Tools,
in the
you
paper,
have to mention the technique and tools. Which type of tool, which type of sampling method you used for your choosing your sample, right? You have to mention that.
अच्छा, और
Second
पुराने पेपर
suggestion
के तरीके से अगर इसमें भी टेबल्स होता तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता।
What sir?
जी सर, वो तो है। और सर second suggestion I want to give that your paper is lacking review of literature.
जब प्राइमरी डेटा रिसर्च है ना, आपका तो प्राइमरी रिसर्च वर्क है।
Yes
Yeah,
sir.
yes sir.
She has not given enough review of literature, sir. You should.
तो प्राइमरी में तो आप हाइपोथेसिस भी लेना है आपको।
हाँ, yes sir.
आपको हाइपोथेसिस भी लेना है और जो है वो रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर भी लेना है।
Sir, she has.
और साथ में वो डाटा एनालाइज भी। या
हाँ, she has mentioned the. She has mentioned the objective of her study, but she has not mentioned the hypothesis. Review of literature is lacking. And one more suggestion I have, I want to give that you have mentioned your data in percentage, right? That this type of percentage teachers has given such.
Yeah, yes.
You have mentioned most of the data in percentage. Okay. So you can add the graphical presentation for these percentage.
Actually,
Same
madam,
suggestion I have given to the last.
tables are very lengthy.
No,
I
tables
don't think it is a lengthy process.
I don't think so. It's a lengthy
process to. Yeah, it is easier process to describe your paper to the student or to the so many जो है वो ये so
you
many
should add
students.
some graphical as well as pictorial representation. It's a very easy method. You can add your data to Excel sheet, then automatically the graphical presentation of data will produce. It's a very easy task. Being a researcher, you should know these techniques. Okay.
Yes, madam.
Your study is limited to Odisha region only, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Okay.
And moreover, you should give further suggestions.
Further suggestions.
Suggestions.
ठीक है, कुछ और मैम?
नहीं सर,
ठीक है, तो आपको भी इन्हीं छोटे से थोड़े से सजेशंस के साथ, क्योंकि ये सारे सजेशंस हो सकते हैं, तो आप इनको पूरा करके हमको दोबारा से ये पेपर रिवाइज करके भेज दीजिएगा। और पेपर रिवाइज करके
Yes.
मत भेजिएगा, हमने आपको जो है जो पेपर शेयर किया है उसी में ऐसा कमेंट डाल दीजिएगा, मैं उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करवा दूंगा। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो आपका पेपर भी अप्रूव है पब्लिकेशन के लिए। बस ये जो पेपर है उसको थोड़ा सा रिवाइज की हेडिंग को इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लीजिएगा, बाकी तो पेपर ठीक है आपका। ठीक है मैम?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Okay.
ठीक है, तो ठीक है, फिर मैं आप सबसे विदा चाहता हूँ, आप सबसे विदा लेता हूँ इन शब्दों के साथ। और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सोशल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन से जुड़ के तमाम सारे शोधार्थी और तमाम सारा जो शिक्षक वर्ग, शोधार्थी वर्ग और रिसर्चर वर्ग है, वो सभी इससे लाभान्वित होंगे और आगे से पेपर लिखने में हमको थोड़ी सी मदद भी मिलेगी, सहूलियत भी मिलेगी। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूँ। नमस्कार।
Thank you.